archipelago, crisscrossing all the bridges and all the four-way, six-lane highways, connecting all the islands where you can go by car. I am a master plan like that in my mind for my country. What is my vision for my country? For just the road network, for just the infrastructure of the country, to connect us with one another. And what is my vision for our economic security, for our internal and external security? I have a master plan for that. Everything I have a master plan for our food security. O kaya, if you have a vision like that, God will give you the wisdom to do everything so that your vision will come true. Si Simon